2 kilo give. 2 kilogram give.
Why you choose to become a welding inspector?
Because I like make plenty money, also make good welding, eh?
Before you are, where you work before welding inspector?
Before French place work na. Work in Philippines. Batangas.
What can you say about your work here in Train 7?
Okay, Train 7 I have my very good friend, Filipino mafia. Ano? Ano too much mafia na? Too much mafia na.
I thought you're the mafia. Did you enjoy your work?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, I'm enjoying. No, not enjoying because I know it's good for me so that they can comfort me.
How long you work in oil and gas?
Oh, 50 years.
50 years? You only 50 years? Then you 50 years
15,
experience?
15.
15, okay.
15.
1.5?
1.5.
Okay. Okay, thanks for the good answer.
Thank you very much.